No, it's 633.
Don't be digging in the console. Put your hands on the steering wheel. You got your driver's license? Why are you driving so fast?
I was just trying to get back on.
I got you at 97.
Yes, sir.
See driver's license. Where's your license at? Whose car is this? Let me see driver's license. Don't ever be digging around in the console the next time you're stopped by law enforcement. We don't know what you're digging around for. Where are you coming from? Clayton? You got your registration with you?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Is it in there? Go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open the glove box. What's in there? A gun? What kind of gun is it? Is it yours? All right. Are you allowed to have it? Okay, that's fine. Go ahead and step on out for me. Shut the car off and just step on out. Come on back here for me. Just turn the car off. All right, just step on out and come back here for me. Turn the car off. Are you not going to turn the car off? I already got your license, know who you are, so don't think of doing nothing stupid. And turn the car off, hand me your car key. Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! C223, Raleigh, signal 25, shots fired. US 70 at Dr. Donnie H. Jones Boulevard. US 70 at Dr. Donnie H. Jones Boulevard in Johnston County. Go ahead and get fire and EMS en route, please. C223, Raleigh, you direct?
Raleigh direct.
Hey guys, I'm on US 70. I'm on the westbound side. I'm in between Old Cornwallis and Dr. Donnie H. Jones Boulevard. Raleigh, just confirming you got fire and EMS in there.
We're getting Donnie, CVM en route to Donnie H. Jones Boulevard, US 70, correct. At this time.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Stop moving! Stop moving! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Go ahead, Raleigh. I'm signal 5. The suspect's been shot. I've still got him at gunpoint. I'm still going to need fire and EMS. He is still signal 1. Stay in the car. Do not move.
23, hang on. We're en route to you, sir.
Raleigh, if you could make a broadcast, I just had a trooper in a marked car pass me going west. I didn't get his call number. If he could turn around and come back and check in with me, that would be great.
Boy, this is T23, signal 25, US 70 at Dr. D.H. Jones Boulevard, signal 25, US 70 at Dr. D.H. Jones Boulevard. Had a trooper just passed him and advised you to call number at this time. Signal 25 with the suspect. Off 223, 633, not the location, turn around. Myself and 31, it's over to you, sir.
Raleigh, just 1014. I am not hit. I'm signal 5, but the suspect is down. He is still signal 1. He is still signal 1 in the vehicle. And I am on the westbound side between Dr. Donnie H. Jones and Old Cornwallis Road.
All you do is not hit. You still have him at gunpoint. I mean, suspect is still signal 1. This time he is still signal 1. 211 Raleigh, go ahead and have EMS en route and set up at a staging area until we can clear the area. Have EMS en route to the stage. Sure, EMS is en route this time. They already en route, so great. 10-4, just advise in the stage until we can clear the area.
Raleigh, the first 2 units to get here, I want to close down traffic. I've still got a heavy amount of traffic passing me on the westbound side. And you can advise EMS, they can either stage at the food line. Come on this side, come on this side. Come on this side. All right, I've hit him with about 3 rounds.
Okay.
He's still signal 1.
Okay.
And he's still moving in the driver's seat.
Okay.
So we're gonna hold tight what we got. He's got a handgun.
Let me get my best on.
All right, do that.
Well, 231 and 211 control.
All right, I'm on you now.
Okay. Just hold tight what we got. I want to shut this traffic down first. All right, look, I got a driver in the front seat. He's got a handgun with him. I've hit him 3 times. He's been hit 3 times, but he's still got his hand on the gun and he's still moving around.
Get your hands up!
Driver, let me see your hands. Driver, let me see your hands. Put your hands out the window.
One hand up. One hand up.
Put your other hand up. The pistol's on the right side. His pistol's in the right side.
You want me to approach Dorsey?
Hold tight what you got. Hold tight what you got.
Other hand back down.
Hey, the pistol is on the right hand. The pistol's in the right hand.
Anybody else in the car?
No, he's by himself.
Your right hand up!
He's by himself.
Hand on top of your head.
Let's see both hands.
Grab that steering wheel, driver.
Put both hands.
Grab the steering wheel.
Hey, First Sergeant, you give the command so everybody's not calling over.
Keep your hands on top of the steering wheel so we can get it out.
Shane's going to approach. Me and Shane's going to advance. Keep your hands on the wheel. Keep your hands on the wheel. All right. We're good. We're good. Hey. Hey, hold tight what you got. I'm going to see if I can secure the pistol.
Go ahead, I got it.
Hey, keep both hands. Keep both hands on the wheel. Keep both hands on the wheel. Don't move it.
Don't you move!
Do not move. All right. Firearms secure. Hold on. Let me grab some gloves.
Keep your hands where we can see them. Clear.
You got gloves? All right. Hey, tell them to go ahead and let EMS come on in. Firearms secure.
My weapon, secure my weapon.
Yeah. He's grabbing some gloves.
Where you hit, man? Don't worry about it. We'll get you. You got gloves?
Yeah, he's got gloves.
I got gloves on.
Yes, I've hit him 3 times. He's been hit 3 times.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on, bring him out. We're going to get him on the grass, man.
Step out.
Hey, have we told EMS to come on in?
Tell come on in. Let's get him the first aid, guys. Come on.
Step out.
Anybody got an extra set of gloves?
Hold on, I'll grab some. Hey, where's your extra gloves at?
Hey, I got some more in my car.
Yeah, I just need some extra gloves.
The 2 of them right there. Thank you.
Hey, you go.
Anybody got a first aid kit? First aid kit.
Microphone's hot. Microphones are hot.
Microphone's hot. First aid kit. First aid kit on the car.
Yes, pop the trunk. Hold on a minute.
Let's get some pressure on the back man on that wound. Let's see if we can get the shirt off until we see what we're working with, guys. Nice, shut it off. Can you hear us okay, man? You relax, man. We got you covered. You relax, okay? All we want you to do is relax. We got you. We're going to take care of you.
Hey, let me see your knife. I'm going to get these bandages cut up.
Hey, man, relax, bro. Bring it back on your side. Bring it back on your side. Keep it right there, vertical. Keep it vertical. Keep it vertical, guys. Relax for us, buddy. We got some help coming, okay?
Hey, I got some.
Relax, boss. We got help coming for you, okay?
I got some compression packages for you.
Yo. Tell me this.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit him 3 times.
You want me to take care of this so you can go decompress a little bit?
Yeah, we just need to get him some pressure on the wounds.
I got you.
Here's your compression. Let me help you with the other bandages.
Hold on, man. We got some help coming. Relax. You all right? You all right, bro?
I got some steel pads right here.
I know you're hurting, man. We're going to get some help coming, okay? Hold on for us, okay? Relax.
Don't you worry about jail right now. You got to get a bullet out of you. You all right?
Can you please put on okay? Mics are hot, guys. Mics are hot. All right, well, I know you're hurting, man. Hold, relax, bro. We're trying to get some help. Hold on. Hold on, bro.
Working on. Hey, I'll get you some gloves. Hold on just a minute. Here's another package.
Anything on the other side? Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
What's your name, buddy? Is that mine?
That's mine.
Okay. I got you. Hey, sit still.
We just cut it off for that hot air and get.
Hey, I don't know that I turn it off, First Sergeant. That camera's gonna die. You need it rolling.
Okay, we'll get it off.
Don't worry about it.
I'm on the back of this car for safety reasons.
That's fine. That's fine.
How are you, buddy? 19? From around here?
I got his license in my pocket.
You're not from around here?
No, sir.
He's from Clayton.
Hang in there.
Wait, have you got an ETA or EMS?
You all right?
No, sir.
Just hold tight. We're just trying to control the bleeding. Just sit tight.
EMS is coming, buddy. They're working their way through the traffic. Hang in there.
Stand by there trying to get you.
They're trying to get it. They need to get a helicopter en route to the scene. Then he's gonna need to go to trauma center.
Is there somebody that's not on scene yet that can maybe get EMS around this traffic? They're going to look like they have to go head on unless we clear one.
You breathing okay, man?
Yeah.
All right, relax. Stay right there. Don't move, okay? We got help coming, all right? We got help coming.
He's requested helicopter as well.
Hey, if EMS is going to take forever to get here, they need to get a helicopter to fly this guy out.
We have a patrol car going ahead and down as well.
I'm going to put some shit on.
We'll try to get shut down out here in County Line.
How you feeling, my man? You good? All right, relax for us, okay? Relax.
Where in the world is EMS at? They're not one in Prince Street.
You got any ID on this too?
I've got his license in my pocket.
Okay.
Like I said, I love you, copy. They all requested trauma helicopter. EMS is not complete. The highway patrol requested.
You would?
Copy, trauma helicopter and EMS. They said about it. 7-minute ETA.
EMS helicopter.
Good.
We're going to have EMS here in about 7 minutes, boss, okay? Okay. All right, keep pressing.
Jack.
Okay. Hang in there, buddy.
Don't want to be quick. If you don't mind. Don't forget your mic. I've got one here.
Units on the westbound side of the county line. Go ahead and shut the westbound down. I got the eastbound shut down to make a hole.
Do what?
What do you say?
Order in a minute, buddy. We'll get some water in a minute.
Hold on, I got some water in the car. Okay. That's a good point.
Are they shutting it down past the turnaround?
They are. Here comes the first responder.
Yeah, let's get the crime scene tape up.
I've got some in my trunk. I got some crime scene tape right here if you want to start stringing it up. Y'all start stringing up some crime scene tape for me. I think we're good on gloves. Good on gloves? Yeah, if y'all go ahead and rope up behind us, and I think we should be good up front, but let's get some time. Hey, have them come on this side. Well, you don't have direct contact. Hey, we can make a hole right here. Let's spin around.
Where you nose after mouth. We'll get you some water in just a minute, guys. EMS is pulling up.
All right, let's get some crime scene tape
Hey,
up.
whose cars are these? Can you move them?
They're the sheriff's. They're blocking.
Are they all? Okay.
They're blocking. So
All right.
can't
Okay, we're good. We're good.
We don't want everybody on.
They're with you. They're with you.
All right, everybody with the exception
Sir.
of the...
He's got 3 gunshots to the back. We've got pressure on him. He has been conscious and alert. She answered.
I ain't got her number, Katie.
Okay.
I just told Katie to call. Have her call me.
Hell done.
Just it's basically letting them know that we called for a helicopter. I don't know.
I don't know if you guys know we got a helicopter this time.
Okay, dude. I'm not sure.
And if you want to cancel, it's up to you, but we didn't know what the ETA was. We hadn't got them in route. We'll take care of it. Wayne, hey, Randy, Wayne Central is who we called through. The sheriff's office called through Wayne Central. So make sure they're two talking.
Yeah, they are. I'm good right now. I'm good right now.
Guys coming? Yeah, I think y'all are good. Check with your EMS personnel. I don't know what they want.
Good, man. Your guy hurt.
I'm not ready to turn line. If I cross westbound over to Roswell, around where you got the traffic, are they going to be able to get around?
Mike, just tell her I'll call her later.
He said he'd talk to you.
They take a right and they go to that stop sign at Super Road and take a right out by the other side of the building.
I'm not at liberty to talk about it, so we're on microphone, everything's hot, but we're good right now. So. Point of contact would be First Sergeant Bowens. Sheriff's Office got any questions? Temple.
All right. I think we'll just get him out. That's all.
Thank you, okay. Thank you, Randy.
Yeah, anyway. That is correct. Authority of the president and arrest. I got your weapon right here, Bob.
Okay.
And you got mine. All right. You can go to hospital, right?
What?
You can go to hospital.
I think I'm okay.
Nah, we're going to go in a little while.
Was he shot because of traffic stop or what?
Yes. He was reaching, he told me there was a gun in the glove box. He started reaching in there for it when I told him not to. He kept reaching for it, said he couldn't go to jail, and he got 3 gunshots.
Okay, we're going to go to wait for you.
All right, thank you.
Do we have any information?
I have his ID here in my wallet,
Okay.
or in my pocket.
I'm going to White County Clerk to wait.
We still hot, Mike. Correct. Sir.